Gonjo murigereria bono yaragira Ensa Eyemo yabono margoba ingakende ngo kuwarigania semesa ya mangana maya elinkomanye gati ya litoberete kuwariganiria kurwasemambya yarenge ntambe starikini sana isato umutinyo kabere litukobononeria Jumaine omwaka bw'ekibubere na merongebere nebere buna botambe na mangabereka okolekana inyirabuna ensemeria yokobali kabanyanyimbo bechichera gose prisons igobanyara kuri kwa litukolera asichinsemo imene siko yorogongo rwagusi na baigo kurwase ewodi yesanensemo yeskimu amenyikura nseme yoni gobagendete kwe murunganeria okoborwa kwa mache ensemo ya siasa ni gobono ensemende Musalem Davadi na baigo na Moses Masika wetangura ba momochiri omurai anene asekyombe kya wakori emirimo Francis Yaturi ayo amo nayanda mange na kuwaringana nkomanya senchira yobo ikerno letirane nkoroko Vincent Onyancha. Igotoko chaka kurwa sensemeria y'abanyanyimbo konyara kuri ko lituko lya lero abanyanyimbo sensemo yechitera gose prisons abo bali kwase lituko lya lero imeye county ya Nyamira igabasaba ngabanyara wesokya na onyomo yugo chaka chinsa chiere tumulikito kurase county ya Nyamira job mange noroboti rwa senchira yobikirano
Aserituko lya lero omuroberi obwokolika emirimo abanyanyimbo bechera nokoreka chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya imeye county ya Nyamira omuroberi oyu nokoreka ensemo ya Nyamira South Ekerenyo Borabu na Manga asegetuogie county enke ya Nyamira South abasaye abange monombe sokie kwelikia abanyanyimbo bwechera
alafu pia miaka kuna wale wengine wanaweza kuta karibu aende sana amechapa sana karibu baki tule tunaanza angalia hivyo na manaka ama na managani no mimi naongea kama Mkenya
omoteneneri bo moroberi oyu Julius Kiprapus nate babuno moroberi oyu no chaka asenchira yobo ikiranu korende mbanyora amakongo make
hapa Nyamira South na ni kote Kenya mzima siku ya leo kuna mali wanaandika saa 2 na wengine saa 8 ndio sasa tumefika hapa japokuwa tumechelewa kwa sababu ya mambo ya barabara lakini mwishowe tumefika na tumefurahi.
Julius Kiprapus nate bangamba chikwene kyango moroberi oyu korirwe ase enchira yobo ikiranu.
Usawa ni kwamba tumeenda kwa county commissioner's office ametupea ma divisions ya hapa Nyamira South na tutahakikisha kila division inapata haki yake kwa sababu tutakawa tuone ya kwamba kila upande imepata haki yake.
Abamenyi ba Nyamira bachakorora omuroberi oyu mbago kiguna gutakira bali barahete amaya ase abasacha batano nomo n'abasubati babere banyara kwenyorera libagali ogochya ko babanyanyimbo bechera korwa ase county ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV eretariane Joba Maangi
na gotigana no roboti roni gotoka ndawika senseme no kuburo kwa macha na sensemo yeskimu imeye county ya Nyamira ngati yemechanda amenyukura nseme jibago etera anene kurwa sensemo yesise roboti ru ase nchira yobwikirano ekerokeri yokuriye kerokyo musenseme ye Joseph Orina atebere na chikoligereria enganeyo ime ye county ya Nyamira Wodi yesise abamenyi kurwa sensemo yeskimu ebunge ejaburabu imeye county ya Nyamira nigo bwato muchando bwokuboro kwa mache yokonywa egento batebere bunake bwenderete koligererigwa
emechande menere simuga na mache okonywa muri nege cyabamito kindani beresa toiga cyaro simuinari tombega nyora gira mache chikonywa lakini ayo kunyima ete muranyora Nyamira alito bwate kimashini kingole mama ate kingo segasa mate chisa eka kimashini ekichiro bate pya etingunga ene ya water chikumu yomwe MCA kubwate mashini eri ne abaleje basaka irenge choko ura pipe na bintu binde bate ete muraka wa etiri ngo simini zibya tibese amate chiro kumanya kumanyanga ngakito wanza kole mama ate orangora eskimu yele itonyora mate okonyu ayara maronge
Joseph Orina ni gateberuna abasabange ni gasenga kiyabono batigarito tabwati emirimo engana tebire ewenderete gosirwa
abana bahito babere bagokwanaga aba baregiyo oyo omono aterene mutwa obakwanira era atebuga ne engineer eskuru yaere gastrato ibona ije nibwate e program ya youth empowerment abana bakuba abayirori batandekire kuhonera icyome wakorere umwana ukire skuru osomire taranyora gasi nakitowa monya abana aba
Orina boigo ni garireira yogoche kobwatesia abari barigeti gokora obonchereria asoko basira na kuba amaegerio bunenchere yemo yokwegendereria
abana beka kwa babwatire torigina n'abantu babakwanire baje basomi gumwakiri asara bigokorwa twende muri uyu ase byasara na indini bakonye inde tabantu bali batosomi none n'abana aba babere kabo batanga ya babere na babere abana kujya nitebye biroro ne bareka batarabwa tukoboko batebimunga ki emwene takobayiga
aya ni gagocha ekarakeria Joseph Orina oyokoriye kero kyobo misiyo korase gwodiesise agendrete gosire byegwa ase ensemeyo Ndizi TV Emesa Amayia na gotigana na yo totigare boigo asensemo ya siasa umuwaziri kura sensemo ye chigosori me county ya Kisii Kimange chate ni gabere kawe tigemire mase ya ganga yo guchiko bwatira na mangana siasa chate ni gago chikoligie kerogo kyobo senator imeye county ya Kisii
kwira chinga kichika kwa mayanga nekene na arizainiri kuruemere moyo waziri me county government ya Kisii litukolia lero chitariki 5 isato mutinyo kabiro mwaka wa 2022 imbete ko tebanga kerege ntukibwa to muchaka nkibwa to muherioye aseiko nteto kumwira ne binyasaye ngambi yamono angiro bugima na kwiro bugima ye umwana inchi ominto nabo igo eria kabere ngira ne ryumuske James Maribongwa ngambi yamono esoko ngi opportunity yo go serve ese serikali yae egiye guchikwera umwaka uyoiga mutinyo nane ekerenge kenene ekiagera naikera decision ye nkeringa unamumanyete nitelene korigiye kirogo umwaka uyoiga 2022 igo nabere buyanga bari bonspi munarichi kurigo tebanga bari bonspi barengerete korigiye kirogo keriba bo choro naba na inchi andi bakora imirimo imeye serikali wanyare utigemeremo wikera kitariki kianda cyumutinyo kabere cyabono na aremire na abere umusacho muri kabisa na amuire koroki na gotabia abantu bamintunga ninde tayari kubakorera imirimo at higher capacity na kikiagera na tigemeremo litukuri ya lero
na ekerokeria abo bisabe serikali bagandrete gwetigie emirimo bosiyo bo chiko bwatira na siasa no bongo iganere gwetigie emirimo nare umanyekanete buna Isaac Nyang'ao oyoro muteneni bwechisemia se county ya Kisumu korende ore umwibore kurwa se county ya Nyamira igobona guchikore na se county ya Nyamira aso waka siasa no kwebwatira na mangana siasa elio uchikubakora amenyibe county ya Nyamira emirimo
asama lieta igongoro kwa Isaac Nyang'ao atebe inchino mwiburua we constituency ya North Mugirango na beire ingokora igasio se serikali asengaki etalinke abuo ngokorera ministry ya education paka na ikireke wango kurubu alimu na ikireke wango yobo county director twaragambire n'abantu bamintu bano tumugirango osengaki entambi paka twachire twikirenga twigwananire mbolie ikiroge kyobo chumbe bwano tumugirango tubwatrane n'abantu baitu to rorenga magendera itu hano tumugirango mbi yakogendera ninta gitukwira ribageri kumanya abantu baitu banoti mugirango inga rero nariri tukurio mwerio ya abantu abakori emirimo ya serikali bako tige emirimo ya serikali na gosoa amang'ana a siasa rero na inchi na bigiti amarubane gutiga emirimo ya serikali igobona nesokirie kurigia ekirugu kia noti mugirango obuchumbe nende ngusaba abantu baitu mumbwatisie kurubonega togendere kuligania na kurigia chikura osabantu baitu banoti mugirango.
Na omukonyi w'umuwaziri asensemo yobokorere gose leba igasense ya Kenya nerabo igongati abari bagendretse gose ngati abari betigire emirimo asiganga yogochiko ibwatirania anensemo ya siasa Patrick Olentutu nigo abereka okore emirimo asensemo ya leba nabo igobereka okore emirimo asensemo yoburendi boime igobona guchikorigie kerogo kyobo governor ase county ya Narok.
I must say that the last 5 years have been immensely rewarding as it offered great learning opportunities in my working career. I wish to start by first appreciating both His Excellency the President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta and the Deputy President William Samoei Ruto and for finding me fit to serve in their administration as the Chief Administrative Secretary, Ministry of Interior for the last 3 years, and Coordination of National Government, and subsequently in the Ministry of Labor and Social Protection. While at the Ministry of Interior and Coordination of National Government, I was nominated by the Cabinet Secretary to represent the ministry in both national and international engagement.
Na tugutigara asensemeyo ekerokeria baraikuru ase serikali bagendretse gwetigemere mwasenchera yokwebwatira na mang'ana siasa oboigo omuwaziri we serikali Chegenka Charles Keter nere nige etigire emirimo yahe bono na guchigosa asensemo oya siasa igarigeti asubana ase county ya Kericho wetera ase kiama kia UDA.
In line with the constitutional provisions in section 43(5) of the Elections Act, holders of the public office who wish to contest for any elective post are required to resign from office at least 6 months before the date of election. I have today tendered my resignation to His Excellency the President, Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces. I am resigning from my office in government to focus my energy on contesting for the seat of governor of the county, the great county of Kericho in August 9, 2022 elections. I have the vision and commitment and will pursue a development agenda that will grow the economy of the great county of Kericho in improving the livelihood of my community and transform Kericho to become a model of success.
Na bono asamangana alengete siasa boigo nelibuna obumobwa Kenya kwanza obubwaterante kiama kia UDA inse yomokonyo murebwense William Ruto na boigo na kiama kia ANC National Congress ekikerense kia sekerense ya Musalia Mudavadi na boigo no murebwe kiama kia Ford Kenya Moses Masika Wetangura nigo baire chikambeni chiabo asensemo oya Western Kenya wakona kura sensemo yomurebwe kiama kia UDA William Ruto ro yuboigo oromokonyo murebwense imeja Kakamega ni gate auna amagendra bereka wikirani wase chinsemo Amayia Ensa Eyemo ya Western Kenya ni gabereka gokorwa ere amo numrebenso muskuru Kenyatta Ruto ni gate birebuna igwa bereba kubwatira na asobwamo na kwene kibuna nkubakorra barama Kenya miremo ase bona tebuna okubwatira nuko irira bange konyorobo konyi asense ya Kenya.
The Jubilee government was a joint project between Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto. And I want to tell them, you cannot deny me as deputy president the credit we have achieved in the many things we have achieved as a government. It is not going to happen, my friends. Kama ni mpango ya mabarabara, mimi niliketi kwa meza tukipanga mambo ya mabarabara. Kama ni mpango ya stima, mimi niliketi chini tukapanga mambo ya stima. Kama ni mambo ya TTI, mimi niliketi chini tukapanga mambo ya TTI. Kama ni mambo ya elimu, tulipanga chini tukapanga hiyo mambo pamoja. Sasa yale mambo yamefaulu, hauwezi kuniondoa katika mambo yaliyofaulu. Kama singekuweko, serikali ya Jubilee haingetengenezwa. Let us face the truth. Sijui kama tunaelewana. So anybody imagining that they can deny me the credit for the things we did that succeeded in Jubilee are wasting their time. I made an equal contribution to the success of the Jubilee administration. And I know too well, I have been in politics long enough, that you plan theory in offices, but you execute practicals in the field, sometimes on top of cars. So, hakuna haja ya kusumbuana. Sijui kama tunaelewana.
Na umurai w'icyama kya NC Musalem David Nabogo n'umurai w'icyama kya Ford Kenya Moses Masika wetangura nigo bano bamumuciri umurai yosumuriki asekembe kyabakori emirimo kotu Francis Yatore baberabu nigo bate biruna Francis Yatore nigaberega kwebisa ase umurai wenze nakonyara ko bachicherya engana banyarere bakogikeria kirage
kwa heshima yetu Mr. Atwoli, stop hiding behind President Uhuru to abuse people. Stop hiding behind President Uhuru to abuse people. If you are man enough, come and abuse me here and face me directly, but don't hide behind the president. Nakanyagia watu wa Kuisero. Anafikiri akiita watu nyumbani ati peane handouts, ati that is leadership. Atwoli, my mother died a year ago. What is your problem with her? Let her rest in peace. What is wrong with Ruto's mother? Let her be. Atwoli, respect the women of this country. They are mothers. They are your daughters. They are your sisters. They are your grandchildren. Talk like an elder who has something to offer to the community. Don't talk like somebody who has come from Mathare. Tumechoka! Mmechoka! Mmechoka! Hata mimi nimechoka! Tumechoka!
Na msahau mambo ya ule mzee wa Minyororo Atwoli. Mzee mwenye anazeeka vibaya, analeta sifa mbaya kwa jamii yetu. Mzee mwenye lugha ya sumu, mzee hajiheshimu. Mwambie Atwoli riswa, mwambie Atwoli toka, mwambie Atwoli kwenda. Hatumutaki kwa sababu sisi tunajua where we are coming from, where we are and where we are going. Na nyinyi mtembee na sisi, hii safari tutaimaliza sawa sawa.
Na gotigana norobotero ayora mangana siasa wikabono ase ensemende unenchere yomo yo kwerinda na kwekinya ko wechano anasoko nyora ebirengo binsi na bigone ebirengo byabwango omara wense umuskuru Kenyatta niga cha kibene na koigora enyagetari ra chikoligereria amangana y'uburere bwa Kansas County ya Mombasa aniga gochokere serikali erechimbero kaneke n'abantu nkonyara bare obo wenya bwanse wetira somuroberi o Universal Health Care unenchereyemo yaba Kenya konyara kuweniwa na kwerinda kebo chenu.
Lakini Your Excellency, what I want to tell you here today, na watu ambaye Waswahili wanasema mwenye macho haambiwi tazama. Umeona na macho yako leo. Umetembea hapa kuangalia mambo ya utibu wa ugonjwa wa saratani, na vile vile umeangalia chemotherapy center, na umeenda kuangalia our cath lab. You didn't have a time or opportunity to look at other areas, but I want to tell you here today and challenge anyone. Hakuna hospitali bora katika jimbo hili la Pwani kuliko hii ya Coast General hapa, hakuna.
Today, Your Excellency, you have witnessed for yourself what happens in India. What you are seeing here, sir, is what happens in India, is what happens in Johns Hopkins University in the United States. But now we are not in the US, we are not in India, we are here.
Na leo tumeona watu hapo ambao wametibiwa. Tumeona mzee mwingine wa kutoka mpaka Lamu ametibiwa hapo. Gharama ya matibabu shilingi 1400, lakini kwa sababu ako na NHIF card atatibiwa, apone, apande basi yake, arudi kwa familia yake Lamu. These are the things that change lives of people. And these are the things that we have been working on and we want to continue working on. Na musifikirie ni kwa sababu ni Mombasa tu, hapana. Mumesikia waziri akisema tunafungua center nyingine upande wa Nakuru, twende Garissa, tufungue Kisumu, tufungue Nyeri. Ndio hii huduma ikaribie mwananchi pahali alipo.
Na maiga yekiombe kiyobochori ni chibebe IBC gotekera ni mubarokeria osumubaro wa ganeti anasoko balikia banta sentunde yo mwerio ni gobono gati ya baribanya ba wesokya na ko ni kiombe kiyobochori ni chibebe IBC kanyara komenta matuko elia banto banyare kwelikia buna bakicukura maiga y'abanta bakemono kwelikia sentunde yega ya kabirande yarenge ntunde yo mwerio.
Kindly extend this exercise for us because we would like to hasten this registration or application for the IDs and have them processed, and all these votes should be, IDs should be turned into votes the soonest possible. Quite a number of our people, as you can see, do not have IDs. So before we turn these people into voters, they must have their IDs.
Na homonogari webungere ne Justin Motsuri ni gatikira togote yabuna ni ga agochia koligie kerogo kyobura wense kwamireria konde wense gotayo ka ukwana asiri tukolia rero igate yabuna ababwatani kurwase kiama kia yagia TDP kemanyikante buna the Democratic Party yokagendete ko barigania abwatani kurwachinsem nabigo kurwase ebya mabinde ni gochinga kechate yabuna omojega oyoroberie gochia kubareta abwatani bekiame kiamo ni gochio kolekana chitariki emerongevere omutinyo yoga kolende taribuna konyora yara ligwa buri tanga ni buno mujego yino cyo kolekana stariki emerongevere neyemo asate bire bunani go chikomera stariki emerongevere tukere Jumapili mutinyo kabiro mwako yega abuna abwatani bonse bekiame kilikanyara ko bekemero bire saine bosio bogo chiago kagendera na koligia ekerogo kyobure bwensa so mutinyo gatano na gatato obochori bonene ekero bogo chia go kolekana.
We believe that we will be moving quite well, and this is just but the beginning. We have not yet started an aspirants congress, which we will be rolling out as well, because as you know, a party must meet its candidates and discuss issues of concern. The other thing which I needed to maybe announce to the country with the permission from the National Management Committee, now that I have the opportunity so to do, is to inform the country, and we shall be putting up in the newspapers and other media of communication, that our date for the National Delegates Convention has been moved forward by a day, so that it is not on 21st of this month, it is on Sunday 20th of this month. Sunday 20th of February is a date that the Democratic Party will be holding its National Delegates Convention.
Monchu murigireri bono goikira bono to goikomo eryo gomangana magia asinchire wekira Ensa Eyemo yabono margoba na mange to kwariganirete inyira bono umurewe kiama kyawe Pasifini Kalonzo Musyoka nabwatenganare gukwana umugavana we county ya Kakamega ninkanyare gukwana gokia somurewe Ensa Eyemo nanda mange nabegansemo yekigosori ndochi gukomanya seri bwe karochi aragire kinze sato chia bono butuko bali mwense tobatira na semesa yamangana mayanko bakirambye mona nabali kibaita soko yasangereria nabigona yo murigireri soko ya chora ko yatengara ku Ndizi TV owansubo mugusi tobwati gotira se mtandao yaito ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News nabaiga ensemo area ya YouTube tonyole buna Ndizi TV News ayomona na mange no bugokonyora ase ensemeyo litukali Jumaine buna utambe umurubiri na yaiteire ngochole asembe omoryo omangana majya senchira yoboikeranu ritirane nkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.